why I switched from Vue.js to React.js. Was it worth it? Well, stick around to find out. So I got hired in a company as a software engineer. I was basically building software solutions using Vue.js, but it got to the point where we needed to scale and expand the team size, and then we hired a lot of React.js developers. At this point, I was forced to pivot from Vue.js to React.js because I was only the Vue.js developer in the company. But was this the major reason why I switched from Vue.js to React.js? Because I can still maintain my current existing knowledge on Vue.js to basically build projects on the side, from clients and from external gigs and all of that. Now, to the core reasons why I basically switched from Vue.js to React.js is I wanted to dive into the mobile app space, and I did not want to go and learn Kotlin for Android development or J2C and Swift for iOS development. I basically needed something that would utilize my current knowledge, my existing knowledge, to build mobile applications. So I looked into the Vue.js space and I found Vue Native, but I could not proceed with Vue Native because the community surrounding Vue Native wasn't matured enough. The framework wasn't matured enough. There were not a lot of packages and libraries to build custom solutions for mobile app. Then I looked into Ionic. Ionic and basically works together with Capacitor, and there are a lot of deprecated plugins and modules, native modules actually, in Ionic, so I could not proceed with Ionic. Secondly, Ionic wasn't feeling really native, so I decided to look into other frameworks. Then I also found Quasar with Vue.js, but the Quasar framework wasn't still matured enough, and the community surrounding it wasn't as huge as other platforms. I looked at the native models. There weren't enough support for the native models to basically build custom mobile apps for the Android space and custom mobile apps for the iOS space. So what I basically did was to now look into React.js, and then I found React Native, which was super awesome. So this was basically maintained by the Meta team, previously known as Facebook. And then I started studying React Native and all of that. So this is one of the core reasons why I pivoted from Vue.js to React.js, right? And because it basically lets me to be flexible. I can build mobile applications with React Native, still utilizing React.js. I can also work with Electron and React.js to build desktop applications, as well as using just React.js to build web applications as well. So I'm going to be sticking with React.js long time. I'm not switching to any other framework. Currently, I work with Nest.js as a server-side framework to build SEO-friendly web applications and more performant and efficient applications as well. Note, Vue.js is super awesome. Beginner-friendly, it's okay. Now, Vue.js was basically invented to fix most of the issues in React.js, but I'm still going to be sticking with React.js. So that's it, guys. Thank you.